Brianna, I'm making this video for you. I love you, I miss you, and I wish you a happy 13th birthday. We're about to go to Frontier City. We're gonna film a little bit of it and make you a happy birthday montage video. The best that I know how. I suck at editing with or without a cell phone or a computer, and all I got is a cell phone. So I'm gonna do my best.
Happy birthday! I wish you have a very happy, good birthday. And we're filming this video for you. Happy birthday, it's Nilani. And we're going to Frontier City, and we already wrote all the wives. And I'm wearing a Minecraft Creeper shirt.
Zip your jacket up, buddy.
Hi, Brianna. Happy birthday. Hi, Bri. I hope to see this video. Yeah, and you need to go on not daddy.com. Sherrick Duncan. His YouTube
Sherrick
channel.
Official.
Spell it, Sherrick Duncan.
Sherrick Official.
Sherrick Official. Sherrick Official. On YouTube. And you'll see this video, okay? And just know it's from your little siblings and your father. Bye. I love you, Bri.
We love you, Bri.
Bye.
We wish you a happy birthday.
Bye.
Bye. Guardians of the Galaxy, baby. Prepare yourself for the rubber band, man. Man. For the rubber band starts to jam. Come out right. I was hypnotized. Hey dog, prepare yourself for the rubber band, man. Man. Starts to jam. Hey y'all, prepare yourself for the rubber band, man. We love you, Bri.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Hi, Brianna.
Brianna, this is a birthday cake kind of thingy, but you weren't here.
Actually, pizza.
So, yeah.
She
And
hates
I
pizza
love you.
anyway.
We just got to the city and we got some pizza on your behalf in celebration of your birthday. Happy birthday, we love you.
Welcome to Frontier City.
Hello, do me a favor and say happy birthday, Breonna-Duncan.
Happy birthday.
Breonna-Duncan.
Bird-Boosia-Breonna-Duncan.
Yeah, thank you.
Isabel.
Calvin, say happy birthday, Brianna.
Happy birthday, Brianna.
Isaac, happy birthday, Brianna.
Happy birthday, Brianna. Are you coming up?
Pull this up.
Share it.
Huh?
Are you coming up right with us?
Yeah. Say happy birthday, Brianna.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bree. Say happy birthday, Bree. Happy birthday, Bree. Happy birthday, Bree.
Happy birthday, Bree.
Happy birthday, Bree. We love you. About to still lasso it up. How was it?
Nice. It was awesome. I loved it. I was singing. Hello, Brianna.
We still lassoed for you, Bree.
Hello, Brianna.
Calvin, what are we about to ride, buddy? What?
We're about to watch Are you on YouTube?
We're gonna be for Brianna. Say happy.
Yay!
Say happy birthday, Brianna.
Happy birthday, Bree.
Tell her what we're about to ride.
I asked
We're about to ride the Silver Bullet for you. Happy birthday.
I may actually do a gaming video on Minecraft. Maybe a bit of.
He's gonna be the next Mr. Beast and the next PewDiePie and all of that, just for you. Happy
Except
birthday.
without the swearing.
Definitely without the swearing. Silver Bullet, Bree. Now let's go up to the front. Huh? Say what? Yeah, y'all can sit on that one together. Hold on, we gotta get them in first. Oh. Buckle up. Say happy birthday, Brianna.
Happy birthday, Bree.
Tell her which one is this, the Silver Bullet?
Silver, yes.
Yeah, buddy. Unbuckle it. And then buckle in. There you go. Happy birthday, Brianna. What do you think, Calvin?
Yeah.
You like the Silver Bullet?
Oh yeah, Brianna, I wish you have a very, very good birthday. And I hope you can do anything you want for Sexy.
All right, stand right here. We can wait for your sisters.
Happy birthday, Brianna.
What?
Hey,
Can you go again?
she was crying saying she was gonna get so, she was gonna be so hurt. And I was like,
After we watch the Wildcat, we'll go on it again.
and Daddy, I was like, it's okay, you're not gonna be scared. If you think it's fine, it's gonna be fine. If you think it's scary, then it's gonna be scary.
That's because you're Nailani Haley Duncan, the toughest thing
And then when
on
she
the
went
planet
on,
Earth.
And then when she went on, she was laughing and
That's because she's Isabel Duncan, one of the toughest things on the earth.
okay, hey, what's
Brianna?
that, kid?
We rode the Silver Bullet for you. Happy birthday.
What? Happy birthday,
Go,
kid.
go ahead. What's up?
What? I was riding with a friend.
Uh-huh.
Like they were visiting like our friends, and he was an adopted kid,
Yeah.
and his name was Houston.
Yeah.
And actually,
Uh-huh.
this was his third ride he ever rode.
Okay.
Third ride in his entire life. Not
You
just
heard it here first. Third
What?
ride in his entire life.
And Brianna, this is the first time that I actually like doing this. And it's so fun. I want to do it again, but first.
The Wildcat for you, Bree. They're going to do the Wildcat for you. Obviously, that's not even that scary compared to what else they just did, but...
Daddy, can we get a picture?
Can we do what?
Take a picture. Daddy.
In the what? Yeah, when we get off the Wildcat. Yeah. Yeah, I'll show them when we get on. I'll get on Facebook and show them later.
Isaac, sometime my dad's gonna show you the picture when I was like a little baby on that. Oh, Daddy, I think why they call it Wildcat now because it's a cat.
Yeah,
A wild
because the tiger's a wildcat, isn't it? You got it.
Yeah, look right there. Wildcat.
You just had a mommy moment with that tiger epiphany, buddy. Say windshield.
Windshield. Windshield. Happy birthday to you. You are 13 and 2. No, she's 13.
Happy birthday. We're about to get on the Wildcat for you. Come on.
Wait, one more thing. Happy birthday to you. You're 13 and you love to. Yeah. Ow. Chew a meat.
Push down a four-ball of the face as soon as I enter, exit to the right. Don't forget anything and enjoy the rest of your day here from your seat. Now opening.
All right, go right there, Nailani. Nailani, right there. Right there, Nailani. You guys go right there. Yeah, you two go right there. And then we'll go right here. You two go right there. Oh, those are, okay. Melanie, right here.
Welcome to Bird-Boosia City Broadcast. For your safety, please keep your arms, legs, elbows, hands, and knees inside the right at all times. Please be sure to secure your hand. Always articles that you might have on the right side of the track. Be sure to stay buckled and enjoy your ride. Keep your now, please. Closing in.
You buckled, buddy?
I'm holding on to make it look like I'm safe. That was weird that a man.
Happy birthday, Bree.
Hi, Bree. Happy birthday.
This one's not going upside down in metal, so I might be able to record the beginning half of it for you and then put it
Wait, you're
away.
using you did this on all of them?
No.
Where'd you leave your phone?
Huh? In my pocket.
Okay, check and visual scan. We're all clear, do you right?
Calvin, say happy birthday, Brianna. Put your hands up for Brianna. Put your hands up for Brianna. Yeah. What do you think, Brianna, Nelani? Say happy birthday to Brianna. I'm gonna have to put you away in a second, Brianna, because I'm not trying to lose my phone even for your birthday. I love you though. All right, bye.
As soon as they open,
What?
don't
Woo! I'm gonna go again. I'm for sure going again. Yeah, we're going again. I'm so going again.
How do you get this up?
If you're stuck, push down and
Oh,
pull
you
up.
just push it.
There we go. All right, get up.
Welcome to Bird-Boosia City's only wooden roller coaster, the Wildcat. For your safety, please keep your arms, legs, elbows, and hands inside the right at all times. Please be sure to secure any hands, all the articles that you might have on the right.
Hi, Bree.
That was the Wildcat, Brianna's birthday edition. 13 years. It went down.
We're going back on the silver bullet. You said that after.
You want to go on the silver bullet again?
You want me to floss?
Floss? No, no flossing on my YouTube channel, buddy. No.
Silver bullet
No.
again. Daddy, too bad.
Not censored. Gotcha. Say.
Isaac, get in. Isabel, get in.
Say.
Get behind Noni.
Say happy birthday thumbnail.
There, that's perfect.
All right. Silver bullet round 2 by popular request.
You're the star. Gates opening.
You can if you want.
Go that one. You go that one. You go that one. I gotta help buckle them. Come on. What? What? We'll see. Hold on.
Awesome.
Is everybody here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Happy birthday again. Calvin, you're supposed to wait for them, boy. What? It's okay. All right. All right. Daddy will throw up with you. Calvin, happy birthday, Brianna. Say happy birthday, Brianna. Everybody on the roller coaster, say happy birthday, Brianna, for me. Only I and I wield that kind of power.
This way, please. my trip, so now I'm at the hospital. And I wish you have a happy last of a few hours birthday. Bye.
We'll finish editing this and make it for you. We were gonna have it done before the day was over, but I don't know now, so we'll see. Love you. Happy birthday.
Bye, Bree.